Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to focus on the Terminal 1 overhaul and its progress during the course of the week. Trust me to also show you lots of on-site activities that you love to see. After risk assessment and putting safety measures in place, taking the Terminal 1 to its carcass is the next step. Have you ever wondered what it takes to build an airport terminal from the ground up? I'm taking you inside the colossal construction site of the new Terminal 1, where you would witness heavy machinery, the strategic planning, and the meticulous engineering that is transforming this space, giving you an exclusive look at a massive infrastructure project in the making. Before we dive deeper, do you remember how this was in my previous videos? For this to be achieved, a pipe foundation was dug, the reinforcements were installed, PIT tests were carried out on the pipe foundation, then they proceeded to casting the pipe cap. Next was the column, and then to this. It's a lot of work. Now that work is going on at Terminal 1, the safety of the people is really very important, and here you'd notice that there is a temporary access for staffs and personnel who need to access the terminal from here. The general public don't have any business here, and there are staffs everywhere that will direct people to where their arrival pickup is, and those that are departing the country. Safety first. Just like you, I'm very curious to see how these new roads and bridges will link up as we see their foundations being laid and the columns emerging. I will document all this from start to finish. Maybe this would improve how the public use public properties and services. Just maybe, because all of us will see them now say, no be easy something. This is day 3 of trying to bring the front of Terminal 1 to carcass level, and I must say it's a lot of work, and it's the one reason I'm documenting it exclusively. Some people will be asking if the bridge will be demolished. From what we are seeing here at the moment, I think the answer is yes. And it will be from that point up to this point. Yes. Those coming into the airport trying to locate the multi-level car park can do so from the new access road that has been constructed. There are signages and personnel to direct you accordingly. Here is the new pickup area that has been created due to the ongoing rehabilitation and expansion project. Out here, it's business as usual, and even as the Chinese New Year is fast approaching, there is no sign of slowing down in the pace of work as daily targets are being met and no hands are off deck. At this section, new access roads are being put in place so that there will be no obstruction of passenger flow by the time there is a need to block a particular part of the road. Here, Another section of the airport is being prepared for another pile foundation. The foundation of a bridge is in this area. As I told you from the beginning of the video, my focus today is on the overhaul of the Terminal 1, and this is the current progress of that. So far so good. There has not been any disruption in the normal airport activity because of the rehabilitation and expansion project. Everything is going on normally. Access roads are available, diversions are here and there to make everything go smooth. Work is in progress, work is going on, and there is no cause for alarm. I now have exclusive membership, super thanks, stickers that you can use to support my channel, and let me know what you want to see in my next video. Thank you.